I would probably say mid to late 90s, Bennettsville took a hard hit with industries moving out of the states. A lot of people struggled for a long time.
We were a textile town, and so in the early 90s when textiles went away, you know, it's hard to compete.
Once the textile industry left and lost a lot of opportunity for jobs here, this is something that makes it different in a lot of their lives and their families' lives.
We have lost like 22% of our population since 1990. So we're struggling economically, and you know, some of that has to do with the decline in jobs and that sort of thing.
Being in a rural area in South Carolina, you know, those new market tax credits are huge because, you know, it's hard to compete with bigger cities that has a whole lot more people, you know, with a whole lot more amenities. I mean, it helps a lot for businesses in our area.
Our desire here in the county is to have a whole portfolio of jobs here where someone can begin work, and as their skill set and all improves, they can move up. And so with projects like this and incentives like that, it sets a level to where, you know, you're getting decent jobs.
The mission of AAC is to bring a sustainable building product into the country.
We wanted to bring a facility here that would help the community grow, help the citizens that live here, have a place they can go to work, that they can call home and have the income that they need to support their families.
The manufacturing facility itself is a near closed loop process, so a lot of the waste material that's cut off during the manufacturing actually goes back into making a new cake coming down the line.
AAC is a newer construction building material.
We're making blocks and panels of autoclaved aerated concrete. It's mold resistant, it's pest resistant.
It's lightweight and it's fire resistant and sound resistant.
You can build anything with mine. You can't beat it down with a sledgehammer.
We're doing firewall applications, we're doing garage wraps, and we're also doing residential and apartment buildings.
My name's Chris. I work dosing and mixing. I'm from Marlboro County, grew up, raised. It makes a big difference just coming to work knowing you're not just cashing somebody else's paycheck. You feel more valued than just somebody filling a space that anybody can do. To get this job, I went through the South Carolina Works.
The biggest challenge we have here now is the need for qualified workers. We have a pretty decent sized pool of labor, but at the same time, a lot of them need that training. So we're working and trying to, you know, put programs in place. We also have we call them technical colleges, the South Carolina Community College, and that's available to this project and to others.
Just the fact that there's opportunity is a big impact.
ASC coming to town gives me hope. It brings industry, it brings jobs, which will in turn sustain our business. I'm the owner and operator of Magnolia Main Cafe in Bennettsville, South Carolina. I'm fourth generation small business owner in this town. I mean, obviously we couldn't thrive here and have our restaurant business. Our locals is what sustains us. If they expand and grow, then we'll expand and grow.
We're sourcing a lot of our materials locally, whether it's the facility that's providing the material or it's the company that's providing the transport of the material. We really are trying to stay as local as possible.
For somebody to come in and offer good paying jobs, you know, for that amount of people, I mean, it's huge for our county. The things that they're doing there are opportunities for other companies to grow from that.
It makes a big difference working for good people.
When I go out and I tell people where I work, they're all excited about it. And it is kind of the buzz of the community. Everyone wants to know what it is, and so it's very cool to be that person that you can have that conversation wherever you go.
Being able to see where we came from to where we are right now, I'm just excited to see where it goes from here.